You have no idea who I am, do you?
Keisha Clark. Wow.
Looking for life in hospital black.
Low key, I've always had a crush on you.
Roses and faces and
Hey.
counting the time. How did it come to
Will you be my girlfriend?
stay?
Journey gets infinite, yeah. 110 to the finish, yeah. I'm transcending all my limits, yeah.
I really like you, but my life is real messy right now.
What does that mean?
I have to tell you something.
We want to talk to you about Keisha.
I mean, what about her?
You've got a lot on your plate, Justin.
Should you be dating her right now?
Where will we go now? Nobody knows. Yeah. Cycles go round. Really unknown.
You're just weeks away from getting that scholarship. Don't let that boy distract you. Early decision is your best shot.
Just have it all planned out, don't you?
No, we have a plan.
I don't want to weigh you down.
You don't have to worry about that.
I think we have something good going.
No, the journey is infinite, yeah. 110 to the finish, yeah.
I'm always going to be here for you.
Forever?